दी FNF। सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बिल्ड बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ इन बीइंग अनकंफर्टेबल। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज मोर ऑफ my concern in terms of for the runners and for cyclists or anyone who's doing any sort of sport, and simultaneously it is also for people who do not do any sort of workout. It is a good way to begin wherein you can start doing some sort of workout, just coming out of your comfort zone. So first we'll understand why it is so important. When we speak so much about core, and I always keep on insisting about core. So core is something what you can say is right from this part of your body to the lower below your hips. So this is the center part of your body. So the center part of your body is something जो आपकी upper body और lower body के बीच में है और उसे connect कर रहा है. So why core is so important? Core is something which you are going to use throughout your day, and irrespective either even if you train or you don't train, you are still going to use your core. So there are various exercises जो हम पास में भी कर चुके हैं. अगर आप इंटरनेट पे जाओगे तो आपको और भी एक्सरसाइजेस दिखेंगे जो आप एक्सरसाइज जिम में करोगे, या मे बी इफ यू आर डूइंग एट होम, if you are doing any sort of training, running, cycling, any other sport, you do involve your core exercises. So as a runner or as a cyclist, or even as a layman person who's not doing any sort of sport, core is necessary because that is going to support your entire body from top to the bottom. So for example, the best example is for a runner who is going to run. So after a certain mileage, the body starts going low. So bend होना शुरू हो जाते हैं, shoulders drop होते हैं, knees bend हो जाते हैं. So at that point of time, how strong core you have, the body posture, the erect straight posture of your body is completely dependent on your core, because it's in the front and it's at the back. So ये दो पार्ट आपके बॉडी आगे और पीछे से आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. अगर कोर वीक है, so it's like your center part of your body, if it is weak, so it will not support the top, so it will go down, or maybe the bottom part, so even the bottom part will go down. So इसमें क्या होता है कि हमें इस कोर को अपार्ट फ्रॉम रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज को हम कैसे इम्प्रोवाइज कर सकें. So there are very few basic techniques what I can share which really works. So the first technique is sleeping on the floor or sitting on the floor. So why we do that is because we are so comfortable on those soft couches, your beds which are very soft and comfortable. So your body is in complete comfort zone. Okay. So because of which there is less activation of your core and your other fibers, other muscles to work upon, because it is in the comfortable zone. So when you bring your body out of the comfortable zone and you go down on the floor, अगर आप भले वहाँ पे 10 मिनट या 30 मिनट या 1 घंटा अगर आप ट्राई करते हो, even if you lay down on the floor, the body is so uncomfortable. Within a minute or two you will start twisting. आपको comfortable नहीं लगेगा. So that is the movement. So over a period of time, when you start from a few minutes, you will gradually become maybe 15-minute person, 30, 1 hour. You will realize that then you can try and sleep or even lay down on the floor for more than an hour or two. So this is something which I would term as you building strength by being uncomfortable. So when the body is not in the comfortable zone, there is a lot of involvement of the entire muscle from top to bottom to control and to make sure that the body is able to build that strength. So it's like when you go to the gym और जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो, so you are not in your comfort zone because you're trying to do something beyond and more about your body, trying to build more strength by doing something that is uncomfortable. So it is like when you're doing, that you can do 10 repetitions, and when you try and push yourself beyond 10, 11, 12, 13, that is where the real strength builds, and that is where you will realize कि आपके स्ट्रेंथ बन रही है, आपके मसल्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं, or even if you are losing weight or the fat what you want on that particular part. So that is how it is. So one good technique is lying down on the floor. You can do it any time of the day. Just lay down on your back and just relax. Yes, it is very uncomfortable in the beginning, but gradually again the number of minutes will increase. The other way to do is sitting on the floor. So in our culture it was very common wherein we used to sit down on the floor and we used to have food, or maybe even sit down on the floor and have a conversation. Today we are sitting on very comfortable chairs, sofas. We need more of cushioning. So when you go down on the ground and sit, you will be again putting your body under pressure, wherein it is being very uncomfortable, and you are trying, and your body is going to make sure that you become comfortable over a period of time, and that becoming comfortable is nothing else but just increasing your time to stay there. Okay, so this is the way you can try and you can utilize and use these small techniques. This is a very good exercise for athletes and non-athletes also. Athletes because you have done a good workout, maybe in the morning, in the evening, or even twice a day, thrice a day. But throughout the day, again you are keeping your body moving and trying to make sure that you are in that zone wherein the bodies keep on exercising. So this is a very good way, and especially people who are doing more on a ultra events which involves huge distances, long number of hours. So in that the body cannot be in a comfortable zone throughout the race. So this is the best way to even practice throughout the day, wherein you are practicing and you are training your body to be in that uncomfortable zone wherein it can push. So it's again training your brain, training your mind through the help of your body, wherein the mind will give signals that I am not being comfortable, but the body gives an answer, let's push it for another minute, maybe 2, maybe 5, and gradually you will realize over a period of few days, in a couple of weeks, your time limit has increased on lying down on the ground, on your floor, or even on sitting down on the ground. So this is one of the most simplest way to build more strength, and in this entire movement of lying down or even sitting, your core is going to get involved. Even though the muscles being used are different, but the core is going to get engaged because it has to balance the top and the bottom, and the center being the core, and being the method wherein it connects and it controls everything. So these are two small, very basic methods. And if you are a beginner and if you have not been doing any sort of exercise, you want to get into doing some core exercises, this is one of the best way. Again, take a first step of being uncomfortable and doing things, and trust me, over a period of time you will develop and you will understand, you are building more strength on various part of your body by just doing these two things. Then you can get motivated in doing some exercises, maybe going to the gym, or maybe doing some workout, get out and maybe go down to your garden or on the road, go for a run, go for a walk, take the hill. So these are two methods what you can incorporate right the next, once we disconnect from this talk. You can just start off immediately. The other way is also, apart from this, is wherein we are very comfortable in standing postures. So we want to be very comfortable by just giving the body a little bit loose and just relaxing. You drop your body sideways, or some people stand this way, wherein you're putting your entire pressure on one leg and the other one is on relaxed. So in this way, you are not distributing your weight. So I weigh 64 kgs, and if I am going to stand on one side, I'm going to literally put maximum weight on my one foot, on my one leg, the entire side of my one part of the body. So how about we distributing it in both sides, so that I am able to balance it. So we've been trained, and in school we had our physical training or sports. I'm sure everyone has gone through some sort of training in their childhood. So So we were always told to stand at attention and stand at ease. So stand at ease is a very perfect position wherein how you can balance your entire body. This way again you will be able to correct your posture wherein you are going to stand straight. So when you stand straight, it's more to do with your chest out, your hip out, and the center, your core being engaged to balance both the top body and the bottom body. So you will have a straight posture. So this is another way, because not throughout the day you will be sitting or you will be lying down. You will move, you will stand and talk, or you will stand and do work. So it's the best way. This is, I would term this to the third way how you can incorporate it throughout the day. So the most important thing is we are trying to incorporate things which can be done just on day-to-day basis. Without you being putting an extra effort of going out of your house, or going to a particular gym wherein you're trying to put in a lot of effort. Even if you are putting that effort, you can still do this, because you're going to engage your body throughout the day and make your body much more stronger day by day. So this is another way of getting your core more strengthened and more strong. The another one, the fourth part would be, or the fourth technique would be, wherein the way we sit on our chairs. So most of the people sit on the chair, they would be bending, working. So the back is completely rested in terms of you're completely dependent on putting entire weight on your front of the body. So in this, what you're really doing is you are again putting pressure only just particular part, and you are moving your back, you're removing your haunch, and in that position you are putting a lot of pressure only on the upper body. So how about you engaging your core? Sit straight, put a straight posture wherein you correct yourself right from here, okay, and you engage your core and take your back straight, keep your neck straight, and you are sitting keeping your legs in L position. When you do this, you will suddenly realize that the stomach has gone in when you are doing this. Okay, it is you doing this without putting an effort. So when you just take your posture and move your back straight and sit straight, you will realize that suddenly there is a lot of pressure on center of the body. That is what the body has to do to balance it again, even though you are sitting and you are in a comfortable zone. Okay, so this is the fourth technique what you can use on day-to-day basis, because we love to sit and work. We sit on our comfortable chairs, or you sit on your sofa or anywhere. So you can work on your laptop even if you're writing, reading, anything. Make sure that you have a right, correct posture, because if you need to do something, all you need to do is use your limbs, use your eyes, right? So you can still do it by keeping a straight posture. It's a conscious effort in this, I would say, what you really need to do. However, when you put a conscious effort on for a good amount of time, for 4 to 7 days, yes, the body will accept this, and over a period of time again the posture will automatically become straight. Yes, you will feel a little bit of pain because if you do not have a straight posture and if you're trying to put an effort to make it straight, yes, there can be a little bit of aches on your back, or maybe you feel uncomfortable. That is the way of body showing you signals, and you need to make sure that you still continue doing that. Maybe take a break, go back again, stand up, sit, keep doing it. That is the key on this one. The fifth and the last technique is lying on your stomach. So you just go down on the ground, on the floor, just lie on your stomach. You will realize as you lie on the stomach, okay, so your entire posture of the body will go straight. In this way, what you will be doing is you will be engaging more of your core from the back, which will get more involved because you're putting your entire pressure on front of the body, and the back has to balance it, okay, even though you're just lying down straight. So in this you are engaging more your back core, which needs to be worked, and it has to balance and sustain of you staying on the floor for a longer time. This again can be done while sleeping or even while you're resting. It's maybe 2 minutes you can begin with, and then you can gradually increase the time. or even if some people, I would suggest that if you're working on your laptop and if you want to take a break and if you want to lie down, do this. You will feel recovered in a much faster way. Even as the fourth technique I said, you get stiff on the back when you try and put a straight posture in the beginning. This is another way to relax your body, wherein you go down on your stomach and you lay down and you will suddenly realize the pain has evaded, because in a way the brain is thinking that you're relaxing your body. So again, while at that relaxed mode, you are working on your core and you are making your body strengthen the body parts, your core especially. So you can try these 5 techniques on day-to-day basis. It's very easy and it is doable for anyone and everyone. Alright, so which you can try and do any part of the day whenever you feel like, or you can put a schedule to it, and gradually, yes, I would love to see you doing this, and then after this you get some more motivated and you get more strength on the core, and then you would be able to, and you will definitely be able to do more exercises and move on. If you've not been doing any exercises, you can reach out to exercises after this. So this would be it for today with building your body strength and being uncomfortable. So would love to see your feedback. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on 982057557, and we have also started doing giving online training workouts that is personalized based, wherein it's an hour session. You can go on my website www.thefnf.in. You can check out on the pricing plans, click workout, and you will get more details on it, wherein we work out for an hour and it is completely online, understanding your body requirement, your emotion, your goal, your target, your injury, your pain. Accordingly the workouts are designed and work accordingly so that you can get more strength, build more strength on the core especially, and improvise on your race or on your body structure, on your physique, and get fit day by day. So thank you so much for listening and have a nice day.